Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. It is 2024. I hope you are having a fantastic new year so far. We're just gonna get this right over with. This is my Alltrue box. You know that from the title. Alltrue used to be Cause box, used to be a really great box. They had a great cause. They gave us great products. They worked with fantastic vendors. Let's get into it. We'll talk more about it. Won't go into this a lot. I will put a card at the end of this that will reference all of the prior boxes that I have done for Alltrue and tell you all the sad story. Suffice it to say, this is not a box that I recommend. You might even like some of the products that I take out. I would say don't be tempted. If by chance you are pulled beyond all possibility of pushing back and not stopping yourself, please, please only sign up month to month. Don't pay a year in advance. Wow, I should really look it up and see when they came back in business. They went out of business, filed chapter something, bankruptcy. Didn't have to pay all of the vendors. And then like 4 months later, came back into business and started sending boxes out again. Some people that had belonged didn't get their boxes. If you had paid through PayPal, you couldn't get your box. For some reason, there was a problem with PayPal payments. And if you had filed with your credit card company, as you should, to get your money back, as they should give, even if you didn't get your money back, you also still don't get boxes. It's like, it was their way of being mean and saying, haha, you tried to get your money back, so we're not sending you boxes. This is all my opinion. I should put a big sign here. Boop, 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 boop. This is my opinion. So they're holding it against you. And if you tried to file for your money back, you're not getting it. Here's the bigger problem. They came back into business. I should look up the dates. I'm thinking maybe April, and I'm thinking maybe we're going on 2 years. And I don't think they're buying new product yet. Maybe 1 or 2 new products, but as a rule, the products that we are seeing are the products that they got from the vendors that they never paid. The biggest problem in that, and you'll see why I don't choose things that you would normally choose, I don't choose because that means all of the makeup, household goods, anything like that that is a spray or a lotion, I think it's at least 2 years old. At least 2 years old. I could be wrong. I don't think I'm wrong. I could be wrong. This is my opinion. I don't think I'm wrong. I had credits. Back when Cause Box was fantastic years ago, one of the first boxes actually before FabFitFun that I did spoilers on was Cause Box. And it did really well. The box was fantastic. A lot of people signed up through me. So I ended up with a lot of credit. And that's what I'm doing, is I'm just burning the credits. So until those credits run out, I will have the Alltrue boxes to show you. And the reason that I still show them is the vendors. There were a lot of fantastic vendors that worked with Cause Box and then Alltrue that didn't get paid. I mean, lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some very small businesses from a company that had been based on helping women and small companies and companies doing good in the world and in their, oh, she's getting ramped up. Companies that were based on doing good in their own communities and throughout the world. Those were the people they chose to take advantage of. My opinion is intolerable, unconscionable to me. So I figure if each month or each season when I do my box, and this is the winter box, I show you the vendors that I chose. Maybe I show somebody something that they think, hey, I would like one of those. And you can go over to the vendor and see if they still have it available, or perhaps they have something else that you would like. That's why I still do this, hoping that maybe we do some good for one of the vendors that really took a bath because of the way Alltrue chose to run their business. This is the book that comes with it. Is that what I chose? Who knows? Actually, I think I do. I think I took a picture. That is what the inside looks like. I think we got 6 choices. I'm going to show you what I chose. I will link for the ones that I chose, all of the vendors, as long as I'm correct. And none of them are just Alltrue, because another thing they started doing was making things their own company. I'm not sure how they did it. I'm not sure if they did it through Alibaba, whether they actually bought companies, I'm not sure. But some of it is absolutely Alltrue branded. I won't link those if I've happened to make a mistake and chose one of those brands. Customization 1, I chose a PMD. I have a PMD in our boxes, not just Alltrue. In all of the boxes that we do, we went through a phase where they came in every boxes. I not only have PMDs, I think I have gifted them to everyone I know. I think everybody's like, stop it with the PMDs, Catherine. Okay, fine. This one's pink though. Isn't it pretty? So I will set it aside for an opportunity to share it with one of you guys. It's not heavy. It will be easy to slip into a giveaway. I thought it was a great choice. It says it has a $99 value, which would have indeed cover the cost of the box. I have to be honest. I'm not even sure the box costs. I think it's maybe $64.99. I think that, yeah, maybe $69.99. As much as I don't want to go to their site, I love you guys, so I will put the price here. But please don't subscribe. My opinion. This says vibrating up to 7,000 times per minute. This smart facial cleansing device uses sonic glow technology to deep cleanse, firm, and tone the skin. PMD Beauty is committed to spreading brilliant confidence, and they donate a portion of their profits to charities doing the same. You also could have chosen a Venus double-handed cooking pan. I already have that from a prior box. The Cozy Checkered Throw Blanket. That was an Alltrue brand, so nope. The Shallow Wood Serving Platter from Sembla. I think, I'll look it up, and if I'm wrong, I apologize. I think that is also related to Alltrue. A Pumpkin Spice Plush Blanket Scarf from Gail Bashi. I don't have it in front of me now, but I think I have that. And a Vegan Leather Transport Tote from Lionel, and it's $86. I generally, I hate to say this because I'm going to make not friends with this, not a huge fan of vegan leather. Moving on. Choice number 2. I chose the Bamboo Serve Set from Core Bamboo. And I know that this is not Alltrue. I think I have picked this exact set. Yeah. I have picked this exact set from Alltrue before, so it is a repeat for me, but that's nice. I mean, who couldn't use another plate with all the charcuteries we're doing these days? This is just an easy thing to use or to give away. The 3-piece set has a $35 value, and it includes a cutting board, spatula, and a pair of tongs. Whether you've been learning to cook, your friends consider you the ultimate host, or you have a thing for charcuterie, this bamboo serve set is a simple, useful, and fun way to make sustainable changes in the kitchen. And I agree. You could have also chosen the Sweat Sesh Bundle from Maji Sports, $41.95. That was a repeat. The Packable Backpack from My Tagalongs, as I recall, that's been in a prior box. Azure Regenerative Neck Cream from Earth Harbor. Love Earth Harbor. Can't imagine how long that neck cream's been sitting around in Alltrue. The Lux Wave Picture Frame from Matter Boomy. The set of 2 ceramic mugs, recolored member favorite. So that implies they did new colors on it. Perhaps. Oh yeah, those are new colors. You can see the mugs over here. The ones we got before were, I think, peachy. And those are absolutely a new color, so I might stand corrected. Those might be new. Customization 3, I chose the Santal Reed Diffuser from Daniel Stone. It has a $40 value. And I will tell you, I'm kind of surprised. This is literally just a plastic bottle, like anything you would get is, and it has the reeds. I'm sure there was a picture. I'm sure I decided this was the best choice for me. But anyway, I don't see any of this with a kind heart. This could be in another box and I might truly be more joyful about it and be like, oh yeah, you know, it's basic, but it'll fit right in and blah, blah, and because it's this box, I feel like, well, that looks cheap. That's what that looks like. Now, see, they look like it had a gold lid on it, which I know seems like nothing. I absolutely don't have that. It seems like nothing, but I'm kind of surprised that well, I'm not. I'm in no way surprised that I don't have that gold lid, but it did make it look a little more posh. Before, I mean, you open it, you take that off anyway, and you put the little, but I'm just saying, I'm sorry, I'm so cranky. Cotton striped apron, pretty sure it was a repeat. Celestial trinket tray, pretty sure that was a repeat. Palm beanie, own it, so I know that was a repeat. Speckled ceramic candle, not sure about that, think it was a repeat. Set of 4 wood napkin rings, yeah, you know what I'm gonna say. This reed diffuser, And you could have also chosen, oh, wait a minute. You could have also chosen a spray. Oh, the gold thing came only on the spray. So maybe this did not come with the gold thing. See? Being cranky never pays off because you could be wrong. Just saying. Choice number 4. I chose recycled LED picture hanging string lights. Trend Labs, $25 value. I'm going to put a picture here so that you'll see why I was kind of drawn to these. Trend Labs, $25 value, made from recycled materials. These illuminated clips are a creative way to hang old photos, kitty artwork, dried flowers, and more. Trend Labs plays with alternative design and application to create products that are unique and innovative, yet simple and fun. So what I thought was this would be fun, and you can see they're just clips and they've got lights attached. I'm not sure how you plug it in. I'm going to guess USB because everything is USB now. And I figured either A, I would like them for back here, because how fun would that be? Along this line that I have in the break in the room, that would be kind of fun. I also thought my girls, one of my girls, because you know, teenagers love pictures of them and all their friends, might like it. Nope, I would be wrong about the USB. It takes 3 AA batteries. So you've got to replace batteries on it. Just saying. Okay. That is what I chose for choice 4. Could have chosen adjustable celestial ring set. Repeat. Removable pearl huggy earrings. Repeat. J&L Naturals Timeless Skin Serum. You guys know how I feel about how long they've owned some of this stuff. Soul Soothing Relaxing Bath Soak. Regenerating Algae Peel Off Mask. That was from Be Kind. But masks, and also a revitalizing mask from Be Kind. I'm sure I'm not blaming J&L or Be Kind or any of the brands that gave them product, didn't get paid, and now they're still using that product years later. It could all be new. I could be completely wrong. It's all my opinion. The 5th choice category. I'm not saying times are getting desperate, but yep. This is just a little kabuki brush. You could have chosen a double-sided cold stopper roll-on, hyaluronic acid age cream from Able Skincare. Again, these things that are bottled have been in there. I'm afraid, that's the best way of saying it. I'm afraid that they've owned it since before times, and that's just too long. Felt night phone holder from Bagby. That looked kind of cute, but not applicable in my life. Set of 2 hair clips from Headbands of Hope. I actually have headbands from Headbands of Hope. Love the brand, didn't need more hair clips. Botanical Radiance Face and Body Mask. HD Translucent Finishing Powder from Bella Pierre. And then the kabuki brush, also from Bella Pierre. I'm going to leave it in here because I don't really use a little kabuki brush. I'll stick it in my box with my unopened brushes, but then if I want to, I could throw it in a giveaway. Our 6th and final choice, I had to put the box on the ground. I chose a tea thingy. You could have chosen Perfect Legs Body Butter from This Works. Love This Works, afraid it's too old. Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. It's from Voir. Voir, have used a lot of their products. Afraid it's too old. Natural Toothpaste Tablets from Geo Organics. I think we know where I stand with that. Also, there was a mouthwash from Geo Organics. A Lavender Chamomile Body Polish from Level. Produce Netted Market Tote. I have it. It's from Small Hours, and I'm pretty sure that's an Alltrue brand. Complexion Quenching Facial Mist from Air Repair. Gel Lip Liner from Loretzi. The Clear Spot Control Bleu by Jean Seo. And the Loose Leaf Tea Infuser from Teami. I chose this because it's basically the only thing that wasn't skincare that just worries me. Could be my own personal problem. I could be worrying for nothing. My husband is a big tea drinker, so I always love to get him the funnest, latest tea things. And this is just a little, put your little loose leaf tea in there. Beep, 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 beep. Let's see, is it easy to clean? Yeah. So you just squeeze this to take it out, put your tea in, and then you can just, is it easy? Yeah. Easily slip it back on, and then when you take it out, you can put it in here so that it doesn't make a mess all over. He might like it, he might think I've lost my mind, but it was the best choice for me in Customization 6. That was by Teami. Okay, that was my Alltrue. If you have any questions, if you would like any more details about my feelings, although I feel like they're pretty clear, and now that we've come to the end of it, I feel like I should once again reiterate, everything is my opinion. I could be completely wrong. All of the cosmetics and skincare could be new. I don't think it is. I personally don't think it is. That is my opinion, and that's what stops me from choosing any of the skincare or anything like that. I'm afraid it's too old. And you guys know I have crazy sensitive skin. If I happen to get something with a little bit of, I just can't risk it. I think it's a pretty good box. If there wasn't the backstory, that's what I'm always worried about. If there wasn't the backstory, somebody might look at this and go, you know, it's not a bad box. But you have to read the backstory. So again, I'll put up cards here for my prior boxes. I got this nice bamboo set. I bit my tongue again. I just talked about this in another video. You know how once you do it in a day, you just keep doing it? Hello, that's me. PMD, always a good buy. Love to see them around. I mostly love annoying my friends and family with them. Have the diffuser. Oh, hold on a second. I'll take the lid off that. We'll see what it smells like. I can put it in my room. The little tea hoo-ha. The room lights that are battery powered. Wish I had read more about that because that'll make it harder for the girls. And the little kabuki brush. Oh, it's not. Are you kidding me? Hold on, glass time. My hand just got wet. My hand just got wet and I wondered what it was. This wasn't even sealed. How it was barely tightened. How it did not come off and ruin everything in transit it's a miracle. It's a Christmas miracle in January. Oh, it smells very nice. Does it? Yeah, I think it does. I think I like that scent. It's kind of masculine, but I will put it up here in this upstairs bathroom because mostly my husband uses this one, and I think it is very nice and manly. It has its little wooden sticks, probably bamboo, and this says Daniel Stone's Santal Reed Diffuser conjures a complex sandalwood fragrance with a spicy cardamom top note. The body of the fragrance is an amber sandalwood complex enhanced by a light floral orchid accord. The dry down of amber musk supports the fragrant mango blossom and strawberries into the base of vanilla and a musky note. I did not get most of that. But you know what? We'll put these in here. What the heck a doodle. We'll see if they absorb it nicely. I'm not flipping them because I don't want to get that all over my hand. Sometimes they say you should put it in it and then you should flip it. I'm going to hope that this absorbs up. Put it right back here. And that'll remind us to check it periodically. We'll see how it makes it smell. This is the hot cocoa candle. Oh, this could be a spoiler. I don't know what I'm going to show first. They came in my Fruit for Thought. And it smells so good. It smells like hot cocoa in here. So it's going to take a hot minute for that thing to work. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. Hope I wasn't too negative. Everything was my opinion. Of course, live your life. Do what you want. I'm not in charge of you. My recommendation is I would find another box. I love FabFitFun. I shouldn't have even opened up that can of worms, right? What are we going to do? I don't know. I really don't love cancel culture, but FabFitFun. Oh, might be my mood. Have a great evening, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Let's talk about everything down below. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys.